Okay, I'm gonna be unboxing this Brickmania package. It was about $100, and this is probably one of my biggest orders. Okay. Okay, so I got this boot sticker pack because in my other package I got a bunch of printed like tan and olive green and sand green, and I needed some German boots. Anyway, here's my reloaded bolo knife. So I'm just gonna take this out. Let me. Take this out. This only comes in reloaded too, so that's another reason why I got it. This is how it looks. And this I got for free because my order was over $100. Let's see what we get. Ooh, this is cool. I got a gunmetal SKS. Gunmetal AK. Whatever this is, I think it's from Halo. A grenade launcher. A 1911 with a scope on it. Whatever this is. Trench knife. I don't know what this is either. A spy carbine. This is really cool. Oh, I forgot what this is, but it's a energy blast. I know it's from Halo though. A guitar, a derringer, these two knives. I don't know the name of, and I think that's about it. Okay. Just gonna get that out of here. And here's the main thing. I'm gonna show you the freebies first. There's quite a few. I think that's about it. So here's the freebies. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, here's an MG34. To start, I'm gonna start off with the 3D printed elements. I got like 6. I got this gas can. I think it's a little bit too blue, like turquoise. I don't know how to explain it. It's still pretty cool though. I got this Ushanka. This is really cool. I like this. And I got a netted ammo pot helmet. A netted roadie helmet. This is cool. I don't have one of these. I think this is called a field cap. And then like a Jeep cap. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna do the torsos. So I got a US Marine torso rifleman. I got a World War II British torso. I got a Vietnam grunt torso. And I got a German Panzer commander. And then I'm gonna do the vest. So I got this gunner. I got a tan British vest. I got a tan MP40 vest. And a olive green vest. American vest. Okay. I got a Springfield. A flintlock musket. A Saber shotgun, and a Martini Henry. I got 5 of these like goggles. 3 in tan, 1 in brown, and 1 in black. I got 3 of these tan M1 pot helmets for my Marines. I got this Uzi. It's pretty cool. I got a perfect caliber M1 Grand. Oh, this is also a freebie. Yeah, it's kind of clear. This is pretty cool. It's like a ghost Thompson. I got a OD green Fallschirmjäger helmet. This is pretty cool. I think it's cooler than the gun rail ones. And then perfect caliber STG 44. Oh, this is a prototype. This is a sawed-off BAR.